Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix this one error that says registry editing has been disabled by your administrator in Windows 10 PC. In case you try to open registry editor on your Windows 10 PC and you see something like this one error, then you need to edit group policy. In case in your Windows PC group policy editor is not available, you need to enable it. I will provide the link in this video description also. You can follow that link to enable group policy editor on your Windows PC. After that, click on this one start button and type here gpedit.msc. In the search results, click on this one gpedit.msc entry. Once local group policy editor opens on your Windows PC, under user configuration, double click on this one administrative templates. Under this, double click on system folder. On the right side bar, you will find a policy name that says prevent access to registry editing tools. Double click on this one option and then select this one disabled option. Then click on this one apply button. Then click on this one OK button. Now restart your PC once or click on this one start button. Then type cmd. In the search results, right click on this one command prompt entry and select here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. Now on the prompt type gp update a space slash and type here force. I will put this one command in this video description also. You can copy in case you need it. After typing this one command, press enter on the keyboard. Now after executing this one command, close the command prompt entry and now try to open registry editor on your Windows PC and it should now open registry editor on your Windows PC.